Morning, morning, morning. Alright, so I'm gonna come back to Spy. We'll do Spy in a little bit. Let's go check out a few stocks. Spy. You're in the stream. We'll do Spy
Alright.
I was just seeing your message. I'll set my eyes on.
Let me grab my headphones real quick.
Alright. Just gonna look through a few stocks. Buenos dias, senor. Morning, morning. Hell yeah, there's a lot of people in here. Or on it today. Who's in some who's in puts? I have one cheap INTC put. That was about it. Everything I have else is in shares. Just kind of sitting in cash and then that tiny position. Nvidia's looking really good.
Finally got some good headphones. So
Hell
now
yeah.
I can working with them. You looking at Spy?
I was. I'm kind of just running through some tickers. Damn, Tanner, you have a put? That sucks too. Someone has ATVI calls Activision. Beyond.
TVI's up.
Beyond might run today.
Holy shit, it. You already had. That's up $6 after how good dream like it. Yeah, I have 101.73 as my most recent resistance line. And beyond.
I'm just kind of running through them. Justice is in calls? Hell yeah. Oh yeah, I saw your message in chat too.
Beyond is most certainly running. I wonder how far it'll go.
Beyond has earnings. Okay, yeah. Beyond has earnings after hours today. Oh, I know Devin was saying shop. King Nene just said it too. You reminded me. Devin was saying shop might see 700 today. So we'll see if that one. See if that pays off or not. Kind of just running through some tickers. I will go back and do an actual list here in a minute. Let's do Home Depot. Kind of like that spot. What the heck? Damn, Tesla might break 800 today.
Oh yeah, 793.21 is my level for that. If it breaks 793.21, it's got a leg up to 815. And in this like 790 to 885 range, the thing just goes parabolic either way.
That's crazy.
It also gapped up $20 overnight. Oh, $12. Roku is probably going to get close to 130 today. If it passes through 128.37 for sure. I'm trying to find a near resistance for it to play some action on.
CVS hasn't really been moving. AMD.
Qualcomm actually looks pretty nice. It hasn't gotten that huge run up, and it could retest 83 if we're in a big bullish market.
I really like EA. I am not an EA fan at all. BA, I do like BA. Below 133. Nvidia, another type pre-market. I'm kind of just adding the ones that I never add notes to, by the way, guys, are the ones that have a like pretty tight pre-markets or pretty well-known price history. They're just on the 5-minute for your intraday levels.
You said you're looking at Nvidia?
Yeah. I'm just adding the intraday levels.
I got some near-term price targets for Qualcomm based on its support and resistances. Send that.
God, people need to quit calling me.
Nvidia had a solid run up during pre-market. Looks like the high was 297. And the low 290. A gap fill from 291.84 to 292.84 could lead it down bearish.
I'm gonna change that to 54. Although we're redoing AMD. I need to go to this chart. 'Cause there's this double bottom there. This gap range. Then I got a resistance there. Alright. Damn, it's pretty much what I said though. It's pretty much 54 to 54.70s. Damn.
MD,
Mm-hmm.
I have that. If we break just below 54, 53.85, get through 54.13, we'll hit 55. The resistance at 54.45 or 54 like 28, I guess. That's pretty weak considering the price action. Both times it's gone, or actually all 4 times it's gone through those prices in the past 3 months. This range, so it moves quickly through the 50s, and we saw that 2 weeks ago.
Damn, there's so many levels in this area.
I've got 6 isolated for our current price levels. I'm sending them to you right now. BAC did kind of pump yesterday, this morning. I wonder what that means for JP Morgan.
Alright.
I like a bullish continuation for JP Morgan today. Oh god, it's full of gaps.
Good morning, good morning. What's some tickers you guys are looking at in the stream? Or at least looking at the play today or already in?
Is that me?
What?
The alarm?
It ain't me.
Oh, it's just me. I have alarm.com on.
Jesus, McDonald's pre-market looks crazy. McDonald's needs to break like 184s though to even move up more. I just still need a little more time.
McDonald's is operating like just like normal. I don't understand their earnings. Or must have been one of the real ones.
Jeez, I can't type today.
ERI for Justice Miller. Ah, it gapped up. Good. ERI could hit 21.
Hell yeah, if you're in Bueller buys, you have ET, bro. We live and die ET. My guys know what's up.
ET gapped up 24 cents this morning.
If you aren't long
16.
ET, I don't know what you're doing.
I missed that hype train when it was $3, bro. I might get into it today. It's pretty cheap.
Dude, BAC has the potential to run straight to 2369 from open.
I'm seeing a run up with JP Morgan too. It's bouncing right off of the lower trend line I've got for it.
Somebody just said Starbucks gapped up crazy because they're opening up 90% of their stores. C is in a rising channel with a gap to fill on the upside. Dang, y'all are throwing out some bangers, guys. Quit. We're all gonna get rich too damn fast. We're not even gonna enjoy it.
I'm probably gonna play the 55 gap fill on AMD today.
I think that's all I'm typing on BAC. I don't think I want to type levels. Let's go check out Starbucks and C and Roku.
I like C. I really like C. I really like all of the banks right now. They're in this similar They're in a similar rising channel.
I'm not gonna type that.
Facebook's opening at 207.
I don't think I've ever done C on the list before. I think it's gonna stay that way.
You don't like C?
Well, I already put JPM on top.
Oh, word.
So I was like, eh. Ooh, bro, I'm so glad I went to Roku.
Yeah, I'm seeing 130. I'm right.
127. 25.
Like, look at this.
I need to go to Tesla. Oh, that's right. I had really good levels on Tesla earlier. To the 800. Below. Alright, guys, throw me some tickers in stream. I'll do like 2 straight from stream. Whatever you guys want. You can even throw some levels on it if you want me to. Or if you want to, tell me what your levels are so we can come in comparison. Oh, I guess I could do Facebook. Someone said Facebook, please. I always forget about Facebook, but it's always one of the better plays. Type pre-market. Perfect. Facebook easily made that list.
Oh, yeah. Only like $2 a price range.
I've been telling people for weeks now. You see that, it's money time.
That's why I like Boeing today. Because of its yesterday action. It like, compared to a lot of other stocks, it was pretty tight range in the intraday. So I think today is gonna not be tight range in intraday. It'll pick a side and it'll go to it. Because investors are bored or something. Josh, I have above 207.65 and below 205.85 for Facebook. What do you think?
You have what?
Above 207, 207.96-ish, and below 205.85 for
I'm just
puts.
doing 208, 206.
Word.
I'm just going to do the whole numbers, but that's pretty much the same thing I said. I'm pretty much just
Is
doing the
that
pre-market squeeze.
on the 4 hour? It's literally the green candle that fills both bottom to top. Right after the gap. Well, it's not really a gap. Yeah.
Damn, Square's ready to do some crazy stuff. I'm going to set some levels on Square.
I haven't traded Square in so long.
Damn. There's a huge problem with TD right now.
What?
A lot of people's buying power is not getting reset. I'm starting to see it everywhere now.
I got my buying power reset.
Yeah, a lot of people aren't. Not everyone.
Oh, interesting.
Part of mine isn't reset. Part of Nerdy Biceps isn't reset. And I'm starting to see a lot of other people start to say it now, too.
Y'all are standard level 2 cash?
Mm-hmm. So like
That's
nothing
really
should be
odd.
nothing should be messing with us.
That's really odd. Tesla breaks 793. We're gonna have a runner. We might even get all the way up to 817. If Tesla rejects and then breaks below 775, we're gonna get that gap fill from 775 to 768, and then we might go down to 756. It looks bullish. Hell. And then SPY is gonna get a gap up to 289.65 according to my buddy rank code.
What do you say? Sorry.
There's a mandated quote unquote gap up to 289.65 from SPY by tomorrow.
It's awesome.
Yeah, yeah. It's interesting too because everybody wants to buy puts, but it's literally illegal right now.
Whoever asked me about DAL, UAL, I would not be getting super bullish on any airline right now. But it does seem after this huge fall after hours that at least Delta is trying to recover back to the top of that gap range. So definitely watch that. And then you said UAL. UAL is doing the same thing. It's just up a little closer to the gap range it was at. So probably pretty similar in charts here. Yeah. I did Facebook if you missed it. I think on Facebook all I did was go over the type pre-market. I didn't really go over anything long term. I did find the squeeze the other day on the 30-minute though. Popped out of it and still bullish. I think above 208 Facebook continues to run. I'll probably play Facebook today.
I like Starbucks going to 77 if it can break the 75 range. Like 75, 60. Starbucks get 77.
Hey, good morning everyone. Make sure to like the stream if you can. Damn, I just realized we had 52 people in here.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I definitely don't see calls on DAL or UAL. You could definitely get better position puts though. Like at the top of those ranges toward closer to that gap you saw me mark. You could definitely get puts closer to that. I would definitely say I'm better at intraday versus swings. I'm not bad at swinging though. You just won't see me call it out 100 times. Plus, swinging is like a lot of people will say they go straight off their technical analysis. Well, it's also part speculation no matter what you do when you're going into swings, because you're pretty much saying I think it's going to here, and I'm giving myself this much time. So I mean that's pretty much what you're doing when you're swinging. I need to post this in chat real quick. Oh wait, we didn't even do SPY. Come on, Bueller. SPY still stayed in that range. Let's see, 1 day, 5 minute. It's double top on that level too. Was that 287? I want to say 287, but it's like already there though.
Okay.
Let's go to the 15-minute. Mark that line. Yeah. Between 287 and 288 is a range of consolidation. I don't really want to play SPY between that $1 range.
Yeah. Those step, like they're little. It's like a ladder. You SPY climbed down a ladder. It was going down to 277 recently, and now it's just kind of climbing right back up. It's making a similar shape to when it hit 289.55 as initial resistance, April 17th.
Right now, I'll post this list in chat.
The first resistance on SPY I have today is 287.84. Does that sound about what you got?
I did 287 to 288 pretty much was the range of consolidation. I wanted to say above 287 because that's the extended hours double top, but I didn't really like that price is pretty much already right there because it could also reject that, no problem. By the way, guys, these levels you could play both sides of. You don't have to play just calls if it goes above it. If you get a strong rejection against a break above level, you can also play puts or short it. So definitely don't be afraid to do that.
Flexibility is the key.
Alright, I need to post these in chat before everyone hurts me.
ERI as a rising channel. I might actually play some. I might actually try to play this today. It's in the bottom of this trend. It's wave-like upward.
No way, I could send that much text in one. Damn, that's a huge message. Cool. Post it there, post here. Send. There you go, my brethren.
Somebody in your watch list chat asked about ERI.
Was it Justice Miller?
Yeah. So I did a little bit. It's in a rising channel in the bottom of the trend line, and it's got resistance at 20.37. If it goes through there, you know, we could run all the way up to 24. The 24 is kind of like pretty difficult for ERI to stay at, so more realistically, you're looking at $21 if it runs through resistance today. If it rejects our resistance, our downside isn't too bad. It's like 18.32 range. That's my diagnostics on it.
It's bouncing back pretty strong.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say as soon as it keeps breaking higher highs, it'll probably just keep doing that. I'd keep looking for breaking higher highs for the continuation of the movement up.
And that Caesars merger is any time now with the release date. So.
By the way, if you're in stream and you, I've had a lot of people from YouTube DM me on how to join the group. There's a link in the bio of my YouTube channel. And then all the instructions are in the server once you get in there. I think right now the bot's down. Because somebody just said it's not working for them.
crib up.
Oh, someone wants QQQ.
QQQ should rise with the chip stocks today if they perform very well.
I think I'm just gonna tell him.
I got some quick levels on that if you want.
I'm just gonna give him these quick ones I found.
Or
Point 20.
I might play QQQ. I like it.
Whether you think you can or you can't, you were right. Henry Ford. Be motivated by the fear of being average. You don't need to be great to get started, but you need to get started to become great.
Yes, sir. I heavily vibe with that. Welcome to the group, J Trades.
Someone said, I heard your group wasn't exactly signals. Like, okay. There's literally an announcements. You go to announcements tab, and one of the very last messages was voice chat call out so far, and there's like 6 call outs that all killed it.
Okay. We're usually calling out trades that we're in chat, and
Yeah.
like,
No, not even on YouTube. Someone messaged me this on Discord. That's sad.
you gotta open your eyes. Look at the bottom of the screen. Live chat. It's where the homies are. It's also where, if you're lucky and you are listening, you'll make some money.
Nah,
Yeah.
they're just people who don't want to learn and make money will just go and play their own random stocks and keep losing money, and they'll never learn, and they'll just get fed up with themselves, and then they'll just quit. Sorry, I'm like losing oxygen. They'll just quit. Jesus. I was like, nope, you're done. Alright, I'm gonna go look at SPY because I don't need to be looking at QQQ right now. Let's look at oh, it did reject the double top that we marked, boys. That's good. It's not a crazy crucial double top, but it is an extended hours double top. A break above that, we'll get a fat move up on SPY. My opinion.
Is that 287? 286.93?
Yeah, pretty much. I'm pretty much just saying 287.
Alright, a doji'd right here. Interesting.
I don't really know what you're trying to get at, Rajeep. He make bot do it though. Shared group linked here in YouTube. Yeah, I don't know what. I don't know what you're trying to say. I need to be added to your group.
I'll paste an invite link.
Yeah, I've had a Discord link in my YouTube bio for a minute now. Like ever since the channel was made. We got 5 minutes before open.
I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the live chat.
All right, I'm gonna chill here for a few more minutes.
Alright. Thanks, Josh.
See you, bro. I just saw David type, "Notice me, senpai." But to the guy who asked me earlier, am I better at intraday or swings? I said intraday, but you know, I'm still everyone's still working on their strategies. I don't think I'm ever gonna be done working on my strategies or craft. That's part of the fun to me, honestly. I like the nerdy side of things. You know, I like coming in here and just looking at charts. You know, if I'm wrong, I get to adjust later. I mean, that's just part of the fun. There's not a link below this video for the 10th time. It is in the bio of this YouTube channel. Channel, not video. Thanks, my guy. Be on the lookout. Another good stream. Thank you, man. Thank you for coming again. You've been coming here a lot. Really appreciate your support. Really appreciate a lot of you guys' support. A lot of you guys tend to be in here a lot. Not just like randomly coming just once. Spy heading to 287 again. Yeah, I'm kind of looking at it. Just slowly putting away. That's the last 5-minute candle, so let's see what the 1 minute tells. Yeah, there probably won't be any more action on there till open. Oh, you're good, man. It's not even just you, though. I've had a lot of people message me, like, a lot, and I'll be like, yo, it's, like, literally in the... I guess people don't understand what I mean when I say bio. Not you, I'm just saying other people. Other people don't click on what I mean sometimes, I guess. Damn, today's gonna be crazy. But yeah, you guys ever see tight pre-markets? You know an explosion's coming. It's gonna be awesome. Whoa, don't scare me. Don't scare me, Leak. You said for another Wednesday stream. Thanks for another Wednesday stream. It's Tuesday. God, you scared me for a second. I was like, wow, I totally just didn't go talk to my one-on-one guy today. It's Tuesday, my guy. Go back to bed, my guy. That's funny. Make sure to drop a like on the stream if you can, guys. Really appreciate everyone being here. I'm gonna keep this up for 2 more minutes. Watch Spy open. You read the rest of the notes. What a crazy amount of notes today. I'm learning a lot from these streams. Bet, man. Thank you. Yeah, if you thought it's Wednesday and it's only Tuesday, you're fucked. Your week's fucked already from the get-go. Oh, we hit 500 subs last night. I didn't even realize. We're at 503 now. Let's go. Hell yeah. I'm not shit without my support. I know that. Get some stretches in. Spy above 287. You heard it here first. I said below 285.25, but you know you could scalp it from right here. From 286. If it falls under that, you could possibly scalp it all the way to down here. Oh, never mind. Don't do. I'm on the 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute. That's why that looks so pleasing. But in reality, you could scalp that. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the stream. You would think SPY would be way below this level at this point in time, but it is not. So I guess let's see how it is later on in the day. Make sure to check out the watch list review later. If you guys need anything, hit me up on DMs on Discord. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you.